Every day, we put our trust in countless products without a thought to the harm that could result if any of those items were defective. From the pressure cooker used to prepare dinner, to the tires on the vehicle carrying us to work, undetected or hidden defects can cause car accidents, fires, burn injuries, and in the most tragic and extreme cases, wrongful death. Attorney Barry Kantrowitz of Kantrowitz, Goldhamer, and Graifman says, if a product has a dangerous design or manufacturing defect or lacks proper instructions or warnings and causes an injury, the manufacturer, the wholesaler, and the retailer may all be held legally responsible. When a product defect results in serious or catastrophic injury to you or a fatal injury to a loved one, you can fight back with an experienced lawyer. Potentially defective products touch every aspect of our lives. Just some of the products that have been the subject of claims include pressure cookers, electrical devices including holiday decorations, tires with tread separation, tainted food, unsafe toys, dangerous drugs, and defective medical devices. If you or a loved one has been hurt by a defective product, the guidance of an experienced product liability lawyer can prove to be invaluable to help you seek the compensation you deserve. The attorneys at Kantrowitz, Goldhamer, and Graifman have decades of experience, extensive professional accolades, and a reputation for favorable results. They will counsel you through your hardships, both personal and professional, and help you sculpt a brighter future. Call them today at 855-4-KGG-LAW.